I am using a stern warning to all human resource professionals, whether in public service, in national government or in county governments, also in private sector or in NGOs. Any other involvement, any involvement in corrupt practices will result to immediate deregistration, criminal prosecution, and permanent barring from the profession.
And with that, are we in a space whereby all of us are now disciplined to be trusted to work from anywhere? And for that to happen, the Public Service Commission have agreed to look into ways of coming up with legislations that guide so that when the public service sets the pace, everyone else follows suit.
The statutory regulator of the HR profession, IHRM champions critical policy reforms, including enforcement of the HRMP Act, human capital reforms, digital transformation policies, and diversity and inclusion frameworks.
For Africa, and indeed for Kenya, this is both an opportunity and a responsibility to deliberately invest in our people's skills, creativity, adaptability, and ethical grounding.